Welcome students. Today we are going to study lesson number 1, similarity. This is chapter of 10th standard maths part first, and the first point of this lesson is area of a triangle. We know that the formula for area of a triangle is 1/2 base into height is equal to 1/2 b into h. If we know the base and height of any triangle, we can find out area of that triangle. So it is important to identify base and height of the given triangle. So I have drawn some triangles here, and we have to find the base and height of that triangles here. Now you know that there are three types of triangles depending upon its angles. One is acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, and obtuse angled triangle. Here I have drawn triangle PQR. It is acute angled triangle. The triangle whose all the angles are less than 90 degree, it is called as a acute angled triangle. So in this triangle we can draw three altitudes from each vertex. Here we draw altitude QB from the vertex Q, altitude PA from vertex P, altitude RC from vertex R. Now this QB is perpendicular to PR. Then PR will be base and QB will be height. PA perpendicular to QR. Then QR will be base and PA will be height. RC perpendicular to PQ, then RC will be height and PQ will be base. Thus in this triangle we can draw three heights from each vertex on the opposite side. Now let us consider right angled triangle. Here PQ perpendicular to RQ. Therefore PQ will be height on the base RQ, or RQ will be height on the base PQ. If we draw the perpendicular QA from the vertex Q on the hypotenuse PR, then QA will be height and PR will be base of this triangle. If we consider obtuse angled triangle is that triangle in which one angle is greater than 90 degree. Now in this triangle we can draw height from all the vertices. From vertex P we can draw height PA on RQ produce. Therefore PA is perpendicular to RQ produce. So PA is a height and QR is a base here. If we produce PQ, then we can draw perpendicular from R, perpendicular RB on PQ produce. In this case RB is a height and PQ is a base. If we draw perpendicular from the vertex Q on this side PR, then QC is a height and PR will be base of that triangle. Now consider the any two triangles, triangle PQR and triangle XYZ. In these two triangles, we have drawn the height and base. In triangle PQR, PA is a height and QR is base. In triangle XYZ, XB is a height and YZ is base. Now let us see some more triangles also. Here is a triangle PQR, and for that triangle QR will be base and PB will be height. Consider triangle PAB. In this triangle also AB will be base and PB will be height. If we consider triangle PBC, in this triangle BC will be base and PB will be height. If we consider triangle PBR, in this triangle PB will be height and BR will be base. In this way, for all these triangles, height PB is common or same and their bases are different. Now consider the next triangle, these two triangles. For triangle PQR, what is base? QR is a base and PA is height. Now consider triangle SQR. In this triangle also QR is a base and SB is a height. So these two triangles have base common. QR is a common base for these two triangles and their heights PA and SB are different. Now consider these two triangles. Triangle one is a triangle PQR and another is triangle PQS. In these two triangles, PQ is a common base for both the triangles and QR is the height of this triangle PQR and PS is the height of this triangle PQS. So these two triangles have a common base and different heights. Now consider the last figure. There are two triangles. One is triangle PQR and another is triangle SQR. See these two triangles. These two triangles are in between two parallel lines. So what happens? For triangle PQR, PA is a height and QR is base. For triangle SQR, PA is a height and QR is a base. So these two triangles have same base and same height, that is common base and common height. So in order to study the properties of area of a triangle, so it is important to identify the base and height of the given. Now the next point is ratio of areas of two triangles. There are four cases for the ratio of area of two triangles. If the bases and heights of two triangles are different. Case number 2 is if the bases are different and heights are equal. Number 3 is when bases are equal and heights are different. And number 4 is when bases and heights are equal. Now let us see first case. We have to find the ratio of area of two triangles. Let us find the ratio of area of a triangle PQR and triangle XYZ. Therefore we write area of a triangle PQR upon area of triangle XYZ. We know that area of a triangle is given by 1/2 base into height is equal to 1/2. What is base of this triangle? Base is a QR into height is a PS divided by area of a triangle XYZ is 1/2 into base is YZ into height is XS. So is equal to 1/2 will get cancelled. Let QR is equal to B1 base of first triangle and PS is height of first triangle. YZ base of second triangle into XS is the height of second triangle. Now the ratio of areas of these triangles is equal to product of their base and height upon product of base and height of first triangle upon product of their base and height of second triangle. That is, it is the ratio of product of bases and corresponding heights. So what is first property? Ratio of two areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of the product of their bases and the corresponding heights. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their corresponding bases and the corresponding heights. This is first property. Now second property, if the bases are different but heights are same or equal. Now area of a triangle PQR upon area of a triangle XYZ is equal to area of a triangle PQR is 1/2 base is a QR and height is a PS divided by area of a triangle XYZ is 1/2 base is YZ into height is XW is equal to this 1/2 get cancelled and QR is denoted by B1 and PS is a H. As heights of both the triangles are same, we denote height by H. YZ is equal to B2 into XW is equal to H. So H will get cancelled. So it will be B1 upon B2. That is base of first triangle upon base of second triangle. If the heights are same, then area is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. This is second property. Ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights. Ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Now let us see the third case. In third case, area of a triangle PQR upon area of a triangle AQR is equal to 1/2 into what is base of triangle PQR, that is a QR into height of triangle PQR is PC divided by 1/2 into base of triangle AQR. Base of triangle AQR is QR into height of triangle AQR is AB. 1/2 get cancelled. So QR get cancelled. What will remain is PC upon AB. So PC is height of triangle PQR. It is denoted by H1, and AB is height of triangle AQR, which is denoted by H2. So when bases of the two triangles are equal, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. This is third property. Ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. And the last property, fourth property, is area of two triangles having equal height and equal base are equal. Here are two triangles, triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle AQR is equal to 1/2. Base of triangle PQR is QR and height is PQ is equal to base of AQR, triangle AQR is QR and height is AR is equal to 1/2 cancel. QR is equal to B and PQ is equal to H. QR is equal to base is common B, and AR is equal to PQ is equal to H. B into H upon B into H is equal to 1. Therefore, area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle AQR is equal to 1. Therefore, area of triangle PQR is equal to area of triangle AQR. Now practice set 1.1. Let us solve question number 1. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Now here what is given? Base of first triangle. Base of first triangle B1 is equal to 9. Height of first triangle H1 is equal to 5. Base of second triangle let it be B2. B2 is equal to 10. Height of second triangle H2 is equal to 6. Now to find ratio of areas of triangles. Ratio of areas of triangles. Now ratio of areas of triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. So ratio of areas of triangles is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2 is equal to B1 is a 9 and H1 is a 5 upon B2 is a 10 and H2 is 6. 9 into 5 45, 10 into 6 60 is equal to divide numerator and denominator by 15. 15 3s are 45 and 15 4s are 60. Therefore ratio of areas of triangles is equal to 3 upon 4. Now let us see example number 2. In the adjoining figure, BC perpendicular AB and AD perpendicular AB. If we see these two triangles, then AB is a base of triangle ABC and AB is also base of triangle ABD. So these two triangles are of common base. Therefore ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So write at first what is given. Given BC perpendicular AB, AD perpendicular AB. BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8. And what is to be find out? To find area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle ADB. Area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle ADB is equal to, base are common, therefore area is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So what is height of triangle ABC? It is a BC upon height of triangle ADB is AD, and reason is triangles having the same base. Triangles having equal base so BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. So it will be 1 upon 2. Question number 3. In the adjoining figure, segment PS perpendicular segment RQ, segment QT perpendicular segment PR. If RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6, PR is equal to 12, then find QT. So what is given here? Segment PS perpendicular segment RQ, segment QT perpendicular segment PR. RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6, PR is equal to 12. And to find QT. Now the solution. Now let us see triangle PQR. For this triangle, RQ is the base and PS is the height. From this information we can find out area of this triangle. Then triangle PQR has QT is the height and PR is the base. So once again we can find area of a triangle by taking a PR base and QT height. Then we equate these two areas and find QT. Now let us see area of a triangle PQR is equal to, what is formula for area? 1/2 base into height. So is equal to 1/2 into base QR or RQ into height is PS is equal to 1/2 into 6 is equal to 3 into 6. 2 3 are 6. 3 into 6 is equal to 18 unit square. Therefore area of a triangle PQR is equal to here 18 unit square. This is equation number 1. Now area of a triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 take PR base into QT height is equal to 1/2 into PR is 12 into QT is equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6 into QT. Therefore area of a triangle PQR is equal to 6 into QT. This is equation number 2. In equation number 1 area of PQR is 18 unit square, and in equation number 2 its area is also given as 6 into QT. Therefore equating equations 1 and 2, so we write from equations 1 and 2 6 into QT is equal to 18. Therefore QT is equal to 18/6. Therefore QT is equal to 3 unit. QT is equal to 3 units. Now example number 4. In the adjoining figure, AP perpendicular to BC and AD parallel to BC. Find the area of a triangle ABC is to area of a triangle BCD. Now let us see these two triangles. In these two triangles, base BC is a common, or base BC is the same for both the triangles, and vertices of these two triangles are on the two parallel lines. Vertices of triangle ABC are on the lines, parallel lines DQ, that is AD and BC, and also vertices of triangle BCD are on the parallel lines AD and BC. Therefore, for these two triangles, heights are also equal and bases are also equal. Therefore, areas of these two triangles are equal. So let us solve this example. Given AP perpendicular BC, AD parallel BC, and to find area of a triangle ABC is to area of a triangle BCD. Now solution. Triangle ABC and triangle BCD have same base BC. Vertices of triangle ABC and triangle BCD lie on the parallel lines AD and BC. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle BCD have equal height. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BCD. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to 1. This can be written as 1 upon 1. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1:1. Their areas are equal because these two triangles have a same base and same height. Therefore, their areas are equal. So the ratio of their areas will be 1. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1:1. Question number 5. In the adjoining figure, PQ perpendicular BC, PQ perpendicular BC, AD perpendicular BC, AD is perpendicular to BC. Then find the following ratios. So let us write given. So what is given here? PQ perpendicular BC and AD perpendicular BC. And to find number 1, area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. Number 2, area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. Number 3, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. And number 4 is area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. Now solution number 1, area of a triangle PQB upon area of a triangle PBC. Now let us see triangle PQB and PBC. Both the triangles have PQ as the same height. So these two triangles are of same height. Therefore their ratio will be equal to the ratio of corresponding bases. Therefore, now for triangle PQB, base is a QB. So QB upon, for triangle PBC, base is a BC. And here we write reason: triangles having equal height. Triangles having equal height. Now number 2, area of a triangle PBC upon area of a triangle ABC. Now let us see these triangles, triangle PBC and triangle ABC. Both the triangles have BC has a same base, but their heights are different. For triangle PBC, height is a PQ, and for triangle ABC, height is a AD. As their bases are same and heights are different, their ratio is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So for triangle PBC, height is a PQ, and for triangle ABC, height is AD. And here we write triangles having equal base, their base BC is the same. Number 3, area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle ADC is equal to, now see these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Let us see, both the triangles have AD same height and their bases are, for triangle ABC, BC is a base, and for triangle ADC, DC is a base. Height of both the triangles is the same, therefore ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding base. So what is base of triangle ABC is equal to BC, and base of triangle ADC is equal to DC. Here we write triangles having equal height. Both the triangles have equal height AD. Now example number 4, area of a triangle ADC divided by area of triangle PQC. Now let us see triangle ADC. This triangle has a base DC and height AD. Let us see triangle PQC. This triangle has a base QC and height PQ. Both the triangles have different bases and different heights. Therefore, ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. So, for triangle ADC, base is a DC and height is AD. So, ADC into AD. For triangle PQC, base is a QC and height is a PQ. And here we write the reason. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of products of their bases and corresponding heights.